According to every Reddit post I've crawled and people I've asked in person, I've gathered that the average full-time DoorDash salary comes in at around $2,000 a month. Not bad. But of course, there is a price for entry, like having a car and paying for gas, and oftentimes these people are cycling between 3 to 4 different apps just to satisfy their order quota. Not to mention that this usually takes up a big chunk of their day and has to be sustained throughout the entire month, which means drivers usually don't take more than one day off in a row. Now, I will say that it is nice to see an entry-level gig where you don't have to work under some cruel boss. But here's the part I find interesting. I found an untapped market that makes the same amount with less hours, the stuff you need costs less than a car, and once you set it up, you have consistent, repeated customers. Let me introduce to you a 3D print design club for kids. So for the last year, I've been running a 3D printing after-school club, as well as running classes during the school breaks. And basically, every week I get a room of 12 kids to take part in that week's design challenge, which for example could be, okay folks, let's design a house for a ladybug using cardstock and clay. And once we spent 45 minutes doing so, I 3D scan their models with my phone. I then upload them to my computer, and I 3D print them, so I can hand them out in class the next week. Does that make sense? So I've done this for weeks on end, with dozens of different projects that I've tried and tested, like making your own fridge magnets, designing a head for a dragon, or creating your very own miniature swords. Each week they get to design something, and the next, they get a 3D printed version of it. So this is cool and all, but the thing that's also interesting to me is the fact that it can compete with DoorDash. But not only that, it competes with DoorDash and takes even less time out of your day. So let me show you the math. So assuming you already own a 3D printer, each week I have 12 kids in a classroom, each paying $15 to be inside my after-school club. I run this twice a day, 2 times a week, for a total of 4 classes and 48 kids. And if you subtract the $30 rental fee for all 4 classes that week, this will get you $600 for 1 week, or more accurately, for 2 days of work. But if you just keep up these numbers throughout the month, you could take home this much after just 4 weeks. Now, if you clicked on this video, you may be wondering, what the hell is this thing? Well, this is from the week I asked the kids to make their own fidget toy. They got to use clay, springs, mechanical clickers, and these little ball bearings to make whatever shape they wanted. And this was one of their creations. It kind of reminds me of the derelict from Alien. But I keep a copy of this around because it's such a cool little gizmo that some kid decided to make. And don't get me wrong, it's honest work coming home from an 8-hour delivery grind. But honestly, I much prefer coming home after seeing the excitement on a bunch of kids' faces who got to have a real toy they designed the prior week. And imagine getting to take part in a really rare after-school club. And this is where I introduce what I've been setting up behind the scenes. Because I don't want this club to be rare. And I don't want other kids missing out on this. Because I can only cover a small area with my 3D print design club. And this is why I've created a school community, where I've laid out how to start one of these clubs from scratch, helping you take payments, how to advertise your 3D print club, the pricing structure, as well as a new project for every week that you run. And like I said, you don't have to spend money on ads, you don't have to make content. There's basically zero competition with this kind of business. I really want this to become a thing, as long as it's done by the right people with the right heart. And if you sign up to my school for just a sliver of the price of what you could be making, you get to have access to the guy who invented this whole thing. That's me. But if you want to hear some of the heartfelt stories from kids who took part in my classes, go give one of these videos a watch. Otherwise, please leave a like and subscribe.